Singers, do you struggle when trying to sing a high E vowel, especially when you're trying to make it big and strong? Does it tend to either want to clench up or fall apart? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how to secure those E vowels and make them nice and strong. E vowels are one of the most problematic for singers unless you want to sing really light. E, then they're great. They're fantastic for flipping. E, for yodeling. Yodel-e. But when you want to belt an E vowel, we start to have issues. In fact, singers will sometimes cheat the E to A. They'll sing may instead of me because the E causes problems. Why is that? Well, it has to do with the tongue. So, with my nice little tongue prop here, when you say E, the tongue moves up and forward, and my knuckles represent the hump of the tongue or the dorsum. So, say this for me. Ah, E, ah, E. Your tongue is moving like this. Really focus on the tongue. Ah, E. Now, in the E position, what happens is as that dorsum moves forward, that hump of the tongue, it creates more space behind it and less space in front of it. Now, why does that matter? Well, when we move the tongue, we change the interaction of the sound waves you're creating with your vocal cords. And what happens to them is they travel through your vocal tract, your throat, and your mouth. And we have within our vocal tract resonances. These are power boosters of the voice, and these resonances are movable. In fact, a lot of the work that you do as a singer is you're moving these resonances around. You're moving them for different vowel sounds, but you're also adjusting them for tone color and especially for higher notes. And there are certain configurations of the vocal tract that don't work so well on high notes. Most configurations work well on lower notes, but these resonances, as you get higher, it's very particular how you tune them. So we have these resonances as we move this tongue up and these spaces change. As this space gets bigger behind the hump of the tongue, this first resonance, the lowest one, drops quite a bit. And then this second resonance, this next higher resonance, goes up quite a bit. So you get a distance between them. Now this distance becomes a problem on higher notes because it doesn't align very well with belting when we're trying to sing with power. So what do? Well, we're going to take a vowel that's friendlier in this upper area. We're going to take because takes these resonances and brings them closer together. And this is going to help us sing the E. We want to modify the E so these resonances move closer together. So first, let's establish the And what I want you to do on a pitch that's comfortable, but a higher pitch, and what we're going to do is we're just going to call. Ha! Ha! Good. Now take that and now keep the position. Move your tongue and only your tongue. E, E. There's your E. It's not E like a spoken E. It's E. So now we're going to find the again. Ha! Ha! He! He! Ha! He! Ha! He! Ha! That's an E you can belt. It's E, E, E. Do it on a note that's comfortable. You can even practice it in your lower register, but the E is going to sound funny. E, 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 E. It's not like a spoken E. We don't want to do this in our lower notes. The approach to vowels change as we go from lower to higher notes. Vowel tuning is huge. It's a lot of what I teach singers, from beginning singers to really advanced singers. I was working the other day with a singer who's crazy good. She's phenomenal. She's sung on movie soundtracks, backed major artists. But the thing we work on is tuning those vowels, making those adjustments of the tongue. And you can feel it. E, e, ha, he, ha, he, ha, he, ha, he, ha, he, ha, he. Try that. Let me know how it works. Subscribe to the channel for more tips. And hey, you can get my book, Beginning Singing, for free. Just click the link below. It's a PDF download. It comes with all kinds of exercises, and it will really help you dial in your voice. So we'll talk soon.